There were this issue coming from alam naman natin mga nangyari sa government officials natin, tapos dito sa mga taong sabihin na nating mga, makabagong, makapili na sinasabi nila that the strategy of the president and the administration together with Justice Carpio, Jake Tariela, yung transparency strategy nila, it
Mhm.
mocks and start aggression towards China to us Philippines. Do you think that's the strategy of the entire government headed by the president about this West Philippine Sea create aggression towards us?
So, ibig sabihin, yung transparency strategy, yun ba ang nagpo-provoke ng aggression?
Yes, yun yung parang sinasabi ng mga kritiko na kung habang nagsasalita tayo, hindi natin dinadaan sa diplomasya, mas nagagalit ang China at maari pa talagang dumating sa punto na
Oh,
magkaroon ng digmaan.
I think not. I think there is a risk kasi China sometimes responds by doubling down. No, kasi they're trying to show that they will not be shamed. But I think it helps because publicizing incidents, it builds global awareness, and cannot um yung for example, no, yung galit na galit sila dun sa cartoons, yung
Mhm,
caricature. Oh,
caricature.
galit na galit sila, but they could not argue with the videos of what they do in the West Philippine Sea. So what they do is they get upset about stupid shit because we are building global awareness. We're trying to strengthen legal and moral standing. So it makes it harder for China to rewrite the story because when you are silent, and this is what we were talking about, sometimes you have to complain even when it's hard. Remember my personal story? Sometimes
Mhm.
you have to complain even when it's hard because silence benefits the aggressor more. Transparency is not the problem. The problem is when transparency is not matched with coordinated consequences. Minsan kasi, sometimes that's the way the world works. Hindi nagkakaroon ng consequences.
Correct, and sabi nga nila namimihasa habang walang nagsasalita. Yun
Mhm.
yung nagiging problema. Ma'am, another, opinion that I got from another think tank na, headed naman siya, isa siyang political analyst and he's heading a think tank, group dito sa Philippines. Sabi niya po dito, nag-iisip siya kung ang diplomasya pa at this moment is still effective if there is hundreds and thousands of people protesting about the issue of West Philippine Sea. Sa inyong palagay po ba, is diplomacy is still working at this moment in our crisis sa West Philippine Sea, and is it effective?
I would like to point out kasi maraming magsasabi, oy, sa panahon ni Digong, wala namang nagpo-protest. Hoy, wag kayong tatanga-tanga. Sa time ni Digong, meron din. Hindi lang nila sinasabi sa inyo. Okay?